Welcome to Morningstar Care Services Corp. Today, we're sharing creative ways for seniors to boost brain health and add more joy to every day. Living your best life is about purpose, connection, and accomplishment. Let's explore how to keep your mind and spirit thriving. Stick around for inspiring ideas to help you live your best life, one joyful moment at a time. Let's dive into arts and crafts. No need to be Picasso. It's about creating from the heart, whether you're painting, knitting, or scrapbooking. These activities sharpen your mind, keep your hands nimble, and let you express your story. Every brushstroke or stitch is a little victory, and scrapbooking lets you honor your memories. The best part? Do it with friends. Turn your living room into an art studio, share stories, and make memories together. Creating art isn't just good for your soul. It's a workout for your brain and hands. You're always learning, growing, and connecting. So gather your supplies, invite some friends, and let your creativity shine. That connection you build, that's the real masterpiece. Now let's give your mind a workout with brain games and puzzles. Crosswords, Sudoku, and card games aren't just fun. They keep your mind sharp and engaged. These games challenge your memory, logic, and problem-solving skills. Trivia lets you show off your lifetime of knowledge and keeps those mental gears turning. Every puzzle solved is a little victory and a boost for your brain. Play with friends or solo, just keep challenging yourself. Keeping your brain active is like taking it to the gym every day, and that spark of aha, it never gets old. Think about that one special song from your past, the memories and feelings it brings back. Music is a time machine for the soul, lifting your mood and connecting you to joyful moments. Don't just listen, sing along, even if you're off key. Let the rhythm move you, whether it's a gentle sway or a full-on dance. Music and movement release feel-good chemicals and boost your spirit. It's great for your body, balance, and happiness. So turn up your favorite tunes and let yourself feel the joy. Your life is a library of stories, don't keep them to yourself. Try storytelling or creative writing. Jot down your first memory, a lesson learned, or a funny family moment. One memory leads to another, revealing the tapestry of your life. Writing strengthens your memory and helps you appreciate your journey. Share your stories with loved ones. Let them hear your voice and wisdom. This is your legacy, passing down not just memories, but strength and love. Your stories connect generations and keep your spirit alive. That's a priceless gift. Let's talk gardening. No big yard needed. Even a few pots on a windowsill can bring joy. Planting seeds, nurturing growth, and watching flowers bloom gives you purpose and a reason to get up each day. Gardening connects you to nature, offers gentle exercise, and calms the mind. The sights, smells, and routines are a feast for the senses. Harvest what you grow and use it for crafts or cooking. Celebrate your accomplishments. Even simple gardening brings beauty and life into your home. It's a daily reminder that you can nurture and create at any age. Life is made of little moments. Singing, sharing stories, or gardening with joy. Each day is a chance to connect, celebrate, and share your wisdom and love. Keep living and loving. Every day is a gift, and you make it special. For more inspiration and care tips, subscribe to our channel or visit our website at www.morningstarks.com.